Gonzalez hasn't turned the heat on yet. What's crazy is that usually he just keeps coming, keeps coming.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Ang pagbagsak sa hari ng flyweight division at top pound for pound noon, yan ang tampok natin sa video ngayon. Matapos makuha ni Chocolatito ang WBC World Super Flyweight na titulo mula kay Carlos Cuadras via unanimous decision noong September 2016, ay tinangkang depensahan sa unang pagkakataon ng kilabot na knockout artist at Nicaraguan champion na si Roman Gonzalez ang kanyang titulo noong March 18, 2017 kontra sa isang knockout artist din na Thai fighter na si Srisakit Sor Rungvisai. Ito ang pinakaunang tungtong ni Rungvisai sa lona ng bansang Amerika at championship fight pa kontra sa alamat ng bansang Nicaragua. Bit-bit ng Thai challenger ang kartada na 42 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw, 39 via KO. Habang itong kampiyon na si Chocolatito ay bit-bit ang kartadang perpekto na 46 wins, 0 loss, 38 via KO. Bagamat lihado itong si Rungvisai sa mga mata ng tagahanga, ay di siya nagpa-apekto dito. Sa halip ay ginawa pa niyang inspirasyon ito. Ginawa niya ang lahat para manalo at makuha ang titulo. At ang inakalang madaling laban ng Nicaraguan ay naging isa sa pinakamahirap na laban na kanyang nasubukan. Unang round pa lang sukatan agad ang tapang, pero sa huling segundo nabilangan na agad ang kampiyon na si Chocolatito, pero agad naman itong bumangon at tinuloy ang bakbakan.
Tough fighter. Guys, for guys at 115 pounds.
And very interesting, down so low. Everybody, the middleweights, the climb. This guy has.
He's going to carry the man. People love this guy.
And then you've got Kovalev, you've got Ward, Lomachenko also on that list.
Turned the heat on yet. What's crazy is that usually he just keeps coming, keeps coming.
Unfortunately for him, not much time left in the round. This contest. Time!
Second round, mas maganda pa ang palitan ng mga kamao. Mga mabibigat na kombinasyon na talagang nagpahanga sa mga nanonood ng live sa arena.
Manhandling Roman Gonzalez here. Gonzalez responds to the crowd imploring him to do it. This is his house.
Really good shots.
Oh, he gets nailed with the right hand, just as you're saying that. Bombs away. This is
the Circle B side now. Gonzalez has found his space. And that's the thing.
Oh, he starts to come on.
Circle B side.
Defense go home.
Look at
it. So Gonzalez.
Third round, tuloy pa rin ang laban at mapapansin mo talaga na ang likas na pagka-agresibo nitong kampiyon na si Chocolatito ay di mo madalas makikita sa laban na to. Tila ramdam talaga niya ang lakas ni Rungvisai at ang bigat na rin ng kamao nito.
Official fight. If the fight were to be stopped for that reason beforehand, so if you're Rungvisai, you don't want to hit him there.
Point, then he might want to go work that out.
Count as a fight if it was stopped for that reason too soon. 15-pound giants putting on a show. You got the headbutts. Here comes Gonzalez. So every round.
Change the dynamic of the fight.
Sa mga sumunod na mga round, mas uminit pa ang kanilang bakbakan. Kamao sa kamao, matira ang matibay. Ubusan ng lakas at kargada sa bodega. Duguan na rin ang kanang kilay nitong si Chocolatito. Mula sa banggaan ng ulo, tila di na kontento sa kanilang mga kamao.
And their natural body momentum too, Ken.
Yeah, well, Gonzalez is having his way right now.
By showing B-side. Gonzalez opens up with a hook. Showing B-side back to the body. Sharp punches. Actually, to get an ovation after this round. Big shots by Gonzalez.
He got cut. He's not going to lead it to the script.
You know, when Soren Visa is about trying to rise above this. It's two beautiful uppercuts by goes with the lead right hand there against the lefty. Soren Visa standing with him. Terrific exchange here.
It's not good.
Gonzalez at this point.
He's getting hit with some tremendous shots. And these shots that
The referee about headbutting.
right now, Chocolito right now has to pay him back for what he did to him. So right now, we're going to be Chocolito with some tremendous shots. The left corner want to stay the body, slow this man down. If he stays to the body, he can slow this man down. But guess what?
Soren Visa now goes right for it. Strikes and takes a good hook from the body and another hook from the body by Gonzalez. And they were punitive, both of them. He goes right back there. He cannot miss with that. Soren Visa now goes back to it is a granite finish.
And he's taking some tremendous punches right now. And I tell you one thing, for a little guy, Gonzalez is very hard. He's very active in coming. Gonzalez not slowing down.
Round 7. Kahit duguan itong kampiyon, ay mas naging agresibo na rin ito. Pinapakita niya ang dugong mandirigma, ang tibay at tapang kontra sa pambato ng bansang Thailand. Patuloy pa rin ang salpukan nila sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds.
Gonzalez with the body shot.
Watch your head. Protect yourself.
And Gonzalez is not in.
Gonzalez just missing. That's the point. If that eye cut would have stopped the fight, we would go to the scorecards, and whoever is ahead wins. Soren Visa trying a late run. A real good one.
Gotta give him credit.
Good combinations here by Gonzalez.
Oh, looks like he got hurt with another shot.
I'll be interested to see the punch numbers after this. Shots here by Gonzalez. Big hook and he wobbles his opponent.
Good cut. I gotta give him more credit because that cut does disturb your action. Does stop him. He's so accurate with his punches. It ain't that he throws so many, he's so accurate.
And here comes.
I think that's the question that made him just my hat goes off the both man. This is a really good fight.
Overcome cuts a lot,
No, I
Kevin.
know
You were able to do that.
Oh, it's fun.
As well, I've seen you overcome that.
I'll overcome it because you know what you can.
In the world, Roman Gonzalez face is a sea of crimson. Opponent trying to capitalize on the blood, going after it, but Gonzalez said,
Really good round. It's hard to score.
Round 10. Mapapansing sagabal na din talaga ang dugong umaagos sa matantong kampiyon ng Nicaragua, pero patuloy pa rin sa pag-arangkada ng mga kombinasyon niya. Habang tuloy naman sa pagbato ng mga kamao itong challenger na si Soren Visa dito.
to have is for it to go into that category.
Did a great job coming back down on that cut.
So, Soren Visa.
So, what I gotta do to stop this man?
Maybe Gonzalez is saying the same thing.
Yeah, but Gonzalez jiu-jitsu is kind of bad. But I can tell you, it's getting close to getting stopped.
Good up. Big hook by Gonzalez. Nothing strategic.
This big one. And he seems that he's going to, yeah, he's still tipping. It's ferocious on his face. It hurt me hitting him. He's got the hardest grip. Yeah, that's the guard on it. His head is so hard.
Now one more round left to work with.
Turkey who won that.
Round 12, tila walang kapaguran itong dalawa sa pagbato ng mga kamao nila. Mas tumindi pa ang laban nila kahit nasa huling round na.
They can tolerate the Sorevisa. But let me tell you something. They're both up there. They're both gladiators. They've got great records. I think it's lopsided right now. I've given Turkey a lot of rounds.
Good body work here by Roman Gonzalez. You see how these guys are on fumes now. After being dropped and cut early.
No quick. There's no quick.
And still looking like a dominant fighter. And his opponent put on a good flirt and
Natapos ang laban sa scheduled 12 rounds na talagang nagpatayo sa mga taghanga nila sa loob ng arena dahil sa sobrang ganda ng bakbakang binigay nila. Natalo si Chocolatito dito via majority decision. Nakuha ni Rungvisai ang titulo at namarkahan naman sa pinakaunang pagkakataon ang malinis na kartada nitong si Chocolatito. Sa nasabing desisyon, umalma ang mga audience na nanood ng live sa arena at kahit mga komentator ay tila di nagustuhan ang naging hatol ng tatlong hurado. Marami ang nagdududa sa kakayahan nitong si Rungvisai kaya matapos ang 6 na buwan lang ay kinasa agad ang rematch ng dalawa. Sa kanilang pangalawang tagpo, champion na si Rungvisai dito habang challenger si Chocolatito. Ginanap ang pangalawang laban nila sa Carson, California sa Amerika. Sa laban ay parehong may gustong patunayan ang dalawang kampo. Sa parte ni Chocolatito, gustong patunayan na siya ang tunay na nanalo sa unang banggaan nila, habang si Rungvisai ay gustong patunayan na siya ang mas malakas at mas matibay sa kanila. Gustong burahin ang pagdududa sa pagiging kampiyon niya.
Belt line is good here. Belt line is good here. I gave you instructions in the dressing room. Protect yourselves at all times. Listen to my commands. We've got a lefty against a righty, gentlemen, so I'm going to caution now. Watch the head. All right, touch glove. Back to your corner. On this fascinating...
Unang round, bakbaka na agad. Gaya sa unang laban, wala na namang humpay na palitan ng mga suntok at kombinasyon ang binigay ng dalawa.
Try and earn as much money you can.
Lefty and the righty. And remember, head clashes was a major issue.
Start here from Gonzalez, has taken his time, but those heads have clashed 2 or 3.
Terrific action as well the first time they met. Many people felt Gonzalez deserved the decision. It didn't go his way.
Looking comfortable here.
Uppercut left hand. Yeah, it's a very steady beginning that from the new champion.
Second round tuloy ang mainit na laban, pero mas makikita mo dito ang kumpiyansa nitong Thai champion, habang itong si Chocolatito ay mapapansin mo ang gigil na gustong tapusin agad itong kampiyon na si Rungvisai.
Round here from Gonzalez, he's just finding the range. Good work on the inside, throwing those uppercuts nicely, and just stepping in with that right hand.
Floyd Mayweather or Rocky Marciano, Joe Calzaghe. And one thing I've noticed, he looks confident, he looks comfortable. And I think he's really relishing being the champion, being the main man in there.
He went over to Mill Street, fought Steve Collins, who was the big underdog that night. He spooked him.
He's just starting to slow down a bit. I think we're going to find that out as this fight unfolds. And again there, the body shot.
I think there was 1 or 2 eyebrows raised at Gonzalez on the scales, that maybe he looked a little bit...
Rungvisai is having his successes. Gonzalez landing some good right hands as well.
Third round, mas uminit pa ang palitan ng mga kamao. Talagang tunay na digmaan ng mga kamao ang makikita mo.
The night in that last fight, because he's not going to be as explosive as he once was, but this really is a completely different fight that I'm seeing.
Well, he's just a bit slower in his punches, just look a little bit more sluggish than they used to be. I don't know if they carry the same firepower, but both guys trading well here.
In from Rungvisai, but Gonzalez trying to match him. Brilliantly looked, destroying Valentin Leon, Edgar Sosa, Brian Viloria in 9 rounds. Place in history already assured of...
Results that he pulled together since then, he showed the...
He just seems a little uncomfortable in there at the moment, Gonzalez. Rungvisai landing some...
reminding us what he can do, putting the punches together. Back comes Rungvisai. What a fight this is turning into. And we haven't even had 3.
Just continued. You could have fought it in the phone box space. Both are trying to take the centre of the ring. And what a contest we've got brewing here.
Great accuracy from Sorin Masai to the head. Back comes Gonzalez to the body. It's time for the rest of this to unfold.
Fourth round sa gitna ng malupit na palitan ng mga kamao nila, nahuli ng isang malahalimaw na kombinasyon itong si Chocolatito at bagsak ito sa unang pagkakataon sa kanilang laban.
Hanukkah, the great trainer who was part of Barrera's team, and he's down here. Gonzalez.
Tumayo pa ito at pilit pang ituloy ang bakbakan, pero matapos bilangan ay wala na. Kahit gaano pa siya katibay at katapang ay di na talaga kinaya ang lakas na meron itong kampiyon ng Thailand.
Every bit of his experience to survive.
Yeah, massive right hand, left hook there and put Gonzalez down. He's going to need to dig right in here. And Rungvisai knows he's on the verge of winning this contest. And again, a big goal.
He's down and surely out this time. It's all over.
Natalo si Roman Chocolatito Gonzalez sa pangalawang pagkakataon via fourth round KO. Nadurog ang hari sa unang pagkakataon at natahimik ang buong arena sa brutal knockout na nasaksihan nila. Ito ang pinakaunang knockout loss ni Chocolatito sa kanyang buong karera na tinaguri ang hari sa pound for pound noon. At sa laban na to ay napatunayan ni Rungvisai na siya ang tunay na hari at kampiyon sa kanilang division. Anong masasabi niyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, reaction at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirme.